Hey kids, it's me, Moony. Today we're gonna play with my new toy. I'm so excited. It comes with 8 balls and 2 hammers. We have a green ball, like a Granny Smith apple, a red ball, like a red delicious apple. Can you tell apples are my favorite fruit? We have a yellow ball and a blue ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! There's 4 more down here. These ones have letters on them. We have A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. Look, we have a red hammer and a blue hammer. Which one should I use? I think I'm gonna use the red hammer. All right, should we try it out? Which hole does this ball go into? Does it go into this one? No. What about this one? No. That's right. It goes into this one. That was so fun. Let's do another. This is a green ball. Does the green ball go into this hole? No. Where does the green ball go? That's right. This one. Should we do a race between the blue ball and the green ball? Which one do you think is going to win? Whoa, the blue ball won! Now let's race the red ball and the yellow ball. I think the yellow one is going to win. What do you think? Yellow ball won! It's almost like a ball is going down a water slide. I love water slides. Playing with this toy today. What are your favorite toys? And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.